If you've lost access to your Insider account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Insider login page. Go to the official Insider login page. Look for the option that says Forgot Password or Need Help to start the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Insider account. Make sure it is the correct email you used when you created the account, as this will be essential for receiving recovery instructions. Step 3. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for a recovery email from Insider. This email will contain a link or instructions to reset your password or verify your identity. Step 4. Follow the recovery instructions. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Update your account information. Once you regain access to your account, consider updating your account information. Add a new phone number or enable two-factor authentication to enhance your account security for future access. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Insider account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Insider's customer support for further assistance.